If you want a new idea, read an old book, said a wise man once. That's why today I'm diving into a timeless yet haunting read. The book, King Leopold's Ghost by Adam Hochschild. Written in 1998, its relevance echoes loudly even today. So, what's this book about? It's a rigorously investigated account of the horrors committed by King Leopold of Belgium and Congo during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. It's a compelling indictment against European colonialism. Leopold's regime exemplified a total lack of humanity from the so-called developed world. The book details the barbaric system Leopold used to extract ivory and rubber. Violence against the Congolese was a way of life. Genocide, forced labor, and brutality were commonplace. Those who protested were executed. Their families, killed. Amputation as punishment was routine. Thousands upon thousands died due to Leopold's genocide. Shockingly, Leopold was never punished for his crimes against humanity. Europe and the Western world continued to protect this criminal. What's the central message of the book? Colonialism is a blot on humanity. It highlights the utmost duplicity and hypocrisy of the European world when dealing with Africa. My take on the book? It's a must-read for anyone looking to understand neo-colonialism today. This book also sheds light on the complicity, duplicity, and hypocrisy of the colonial world in present times. If you want the truth of colonialism, go grab a copy of King Leopold's Ghost. Want more book reviews? Hit that follow button.